Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we finished on this list view dot separated. We use divider to separate the list items. Here in this video, we are going to use list tile. List tile is a ready-made widget that we can use in place of list item that have number of things. What we have, just I'm going to explain here. For example, just I'm removing this and here I say list tile, and under the list tile, first we have a title. So in a title, I use text field, and suppose I say person, and here I use index to display that person one like this. I can increase the size also. For that I say style and I say text style font size. I say 20. Now we have subtitle also. Again, I just copy this field here and paste here. In place of this, I say address. Okay, just a simple example to demonstrate the things. Now, before this title and subtitle, we have a leading property also, in which we have to pass the icon or image we can pass. But for example, I am passing icons here. I say person icon. This icon I am passing here. And after this value, we have leading is trailing also. And trailing also I am passing right now icon, but you can use image also, or you can use any other thing which you want. I say arrow, I say forward like this. So these are the information that I want to display. Remember that this information can be come from the map, okay, or from, you can say, when we fetch the API and we have lots of information in a map as an object. So with the help of that map objects dot property, just put the property, function name, address, whatever you have. So you can assign this tile property. So it's a ready-made widgets that we use to design this list. So how it is useful, just I save this and you will see the magic. You see person 3 and you see person 0, person 1, because index start from 0. So we can start this from 1 also. For that we use such kind of thing, and same I use here also, here in the address. Then save this and you will see that starting from 1 and we have the number of items. You see, if you want to click on any particular item and you want to display some information, for that we have on tab also, on focus change, on long press, on tab. So on tab is there. Here I can use toast. I say Flutter toast property that I have used earlier also. As you know that we have a show toast here, we have a message here. So here message I display you clicked on person, and here I say bracket index +1 like this. And not only message we have a certain property here that I'm going to explain. Previous video also we have used this toast length. So here I say toast dot short length short that I'm using here. Then I can use background color also. I say colors dot gray or purple. I can use purple. Then I say color, text color. So I say colors dot white. Then I say gravity, where I want to display this. So I say toast gravity dot center that I want to display. You see, so I have set the toast also, and just Control S, and if I click here, you'll see you click on person 12. If I click here, you see you click on person 18, you click on person 19. So like this way we can perform operation also on list tile. So it's a very important widgets to use under list. By default you have such kind of setting in this. We have an image of a particular person or some anything, whatever the item you want to display. At the last we have trailing this icon also. We have this main text title, we have a subtitle, you see. So many things we have some advanced property also under list tile, but this is the sufficient for a fresher to learn. Some advanced properties also available, that if you want to display data in 3 or 4 lines, so how you can do that, that is a separate thing. First you learn this, then you can learn advanced concept also. So this is all about list tile in Flutter. I think you like it. If you liking this video. If you are learning something from this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.